Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the scene. Save a backup, confirm your Blender version, and enable any mesh tools you use. Once done, select each object you want to connect and apply transforms with Control, plus a so scale and rotation won't distort geometry later. Make a decision now. Join the objects with Control plus J to treat them as one mesh, or keep them separate if you plan to connect specific edge loops. This first action sets a clean baseline for precise vertex work and modifiers. You now execute the middle steps. Enter Edit mode and select Matching Edge Loops. Use Bridge Edge Loops for direct connections. Adjust segments and smoothness to control flow. For complex intersections, add a Boolean modifier, apply it, then convert and inspect geometry. Make sure to clean topology. Merge by distance to remove duplicate verts, delete non-manifold faces, and fix ngons into quads where possible. Doing this preserves normals and deformation behavior, which matters for shading and later. Finish by applying modifiers in a controlled order and recalculating normals with Shift+, and so shading is consistent. Next, verify UVs and vertex groups if you'll texture or rig. Test deformation if relevant. Export or bake only after checking for stray vertices and non-manifold edges. If things go wrong, common symptom, dark seams or holes, isolate the area, remove doubles, flip or recalculate normals, and rebridge the edge loops. This quick troubleshooting fixes most connection artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.